So I don't know if you can see it, but I got a crack in the glass. It's right there, and it goes across that way. But that's why I had glass protector on it. Hopefully it's just the protective glass on top. But we're going to take this one off here, and hopefully it's just on top. I can get my fingernails under there. That's where it's broke. Alright, looky there. It looks like the glass did its job. Don't see any crack on the GoPro lens itself. I'm going to take some canned air just to blow the little glass flakes, little shards of glass off there so they don't end up in my fingertips. Alright, clean this with the alcohol swab. Get it nice and clean for the new glass. It's a little cloth it came with. Give it a nice clean wipe. Got the kit off Amazon. Comes with the glass for the lens, the display there, and also one for the back. So you get your guide sticker set up on there once it's centered nice and perfect. Then you use the dust absorber. Get the dust absorber on there. Do that a couple times to get all the dust, the lint and dust off. And then you just peel this off right here and then fold it over. I'm not going to do that because I need both hands. So there we go. Got this off. Folded it over. It's on there nice and good. Lined up perfect there. And now we just take off these guide stickers. And there we go. Got the new glass on there. New protective glass. And seeing that last one was cracked, that saved my GoPro. So now we got a new glass on there.